Boom. See, there's vegetables in it. Here's my omelet. I'm gonna go watch the second episode of Promised Neverland. Yo, so I'm trying to go to the kickboxing place and I usually go there by bike, but it's raining today. I'm gonna try to go by bus. It's like straight up raining right now. It's alright. It's alright. I'm running to my next transfer. Ibaraki University. Ah, there's the stop. Same on my, perfect. There's the bus. This bus was right on the dot. Hey, look at this. Tokiwa buses. The Ibaraki Robots. That's the basketball team of Ibaraki. Or Mito, I think. The gym. Let's go inside. So it's winter and yet it's raining. I wish it would just snow instead. So today I got there around like 1:10. It's already like 4-ish. So it's like 3 hours. But it's more of like 2 hours of training. It was very tiring. It's particularly tiring because there were like these two guys. One looked a lot younger. Maybe he's younger than me, or maybe same age, I don't know. They both fight in like amateur fights, so they're very good. I got to spar with them a little bit. I really sucked compared to them. They taught me a lot of things. The owner was like, oh yeah, that's right, you want to lose weight, right? And they were like, all right, so because Mark wants to lose weight, we're all gonna do like a workout circuit. Yeah, it was pretty hard. It was like a lot of burpees, crunches, a lot of ab workout, a lot of jumping. It's fun meeting more and more people at that kickboxing gym. All right, let's over to the station. Probably this one. 来ました。ゴルフセンター。Yay. Finally back. I was intrigued by the bus driver. He had an interesting voice, or like a soothing voice, I guess. I'm gonna cook some stuff that I bought at the grocery store at the station. Finally got ajipon, ponzu, got some meat, some of that mapo tofu. Next, the apples. This is simply because one of my friends, she's getting married soon in March, and one of her friends contacted me. I was like, hey, can you make a video congratulating them? And I was like, yeah. And the idea is that like, because the husband, he's a pro baseball player, we're gonna like connect by throwing a ball and then catching it. But then she said just use an apple, and I'm like, all right, apples. I'm gonna change and then start cooking. Let's go. These veggies, man. This garlic is so good. It's like, I don't know why. It's sweet. Alright, now we're gonna taste the mapo tofu. Itadakimasu. Mmm. Oh, this is good. Alright. Well, time to clean this guy up.